in Melia Bali. So we just arrived and then we will check in. As you see, so quiet.
So, as you see, we are in Melia Bali, and I think not so many people is here. I don't wanna say as we are only here, but the feeling is like this. We will see. We have to wait for the check-in. Of course, we are too early. That's our tradition already.
Let's see.
Let's see. Check-in in progress.
So quiet, only us here as the guests.
So it's as quiet as even the rooms are open because they are like air circulation and stuff. It's not so many people. We are not only the one, but the feeling is like that. Yeah. Right guys, so we are just checking into our room in the Melia Bali hotel. This is the Lagoon room. Yes, sayang, this is Lagoon room. Lagoon suit. Winnie is already working.
Just 1 hour, I promise. 1 hour and then I will have a good time with you, honey.
Okay. It's 10 o'clock, so we are checking very early. I just quickly gonna show you the room, how it's look like. This is not the newest hotel, but it's a good brand. Mirror everywhere. I will change position of the camera. So one thing that is very interesting over here is that everything here is sealed. So controller of the air condition is sealed with the stamp, as is the disinfected everything. Even the TV controller, like this one, bottle opener, everything, and all the facilities of the hotel, like you know, slippers, toothbrush, stuff like that. It's also of course available, but you have to call and they're gonna bring you to the order, of course free of charge. So they're really taking care of the healthy procedures, right, Saya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know how to play chess?
Is that heavy, Sam?
Not really. It's made of wood.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, let's go to the beach and see how it is actually.
And of course it's so quiet. Some people are here, but it's a very quiet. It's about the limit of in this hotel is 40 people maximum, but
Yeah, it's so sad, you know, like the
Yeah.
capacity of this hotel actually 1,000 people
Yeah.
with the 490 rooms.
yes, that's
Yeah,
crazy,
but
isn't it?
because of this situation, the law, the policies here that they have to limit it until 40 people. Yeah.
Yeah, we will see how it is. So we are on the beach in the Melia. That's how it looks like. Over there is some kind of swings. Here is the place for the sunbathing, everything. Of course, it's super quiet. And it's low tide, so it's good time for paddling, stand paddling. I think so. We will do this. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's try.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so.
Right, so the situation is a little bit changed, and the water is actually tight. It's too small,
Too low,
too low.
actually,
So we will do the
and
paddling
then
later or
the-
tomorrow.
So the guy said over there that you cannot do stand-up paddle, and also you cannot do
Kayaking.
kayaking. So they suggest us to come back later in the morning, next morning, or later in the afternoon. So yeah, we just decided to have a swim.
We'll enjoy it in the pool. The situation looks like this, as we will just chill out in the pool right now.
Yeah.
And I don't want to say that again, but the full entire pool is just for us.
Yeah, so we feel like this is like our private resort. Sorry to say, but yeah, only us in the pool.
Yeah.
Let's chill out.
And this is actually quite huge resort.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's chill out. Alright, so it's the lunchtime. We will go outside to have a lunch somewhere in Nusa Dua, so we will show you a little bit around. Anyway, about the hotel, this is the Lagoon suite, so it's the access to the like a pool like this, right?
Yeah.
And we paid around 900k, which is around $65-70. Normally the price is 2.53 million, which is around 200 up to $250, similar like last time.
We have a good deals. I mean, like in this situation, that it's really good price though.
Yeah, and the other thing is that there is 490 rooms, which is for around 1,000 people can stay here, but nowadays they are allowed by regulations. It's only 40 people, which is quite sad. It's very quiet anyway, around 20 people maybe staying in the hotel right
Yeah.
now. Okay, we will go to Nusa Dua and check this out, guys.
We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you need.
So So we just arrived to the one restaurant in Nusa Dua. Winnie is so tired, as you can see. She's nearly sleeping in the restaurant. Yeah, and I'm only one white person in the restaurant. I will show you guys around. I just changed the position because of the sun was so dark. So the main reason why Winnie is so tired is because she wake me up today at 6:30 at morning. Could you believe that? We just go 45 minutes to the hotel, but we wake up at 6:40.
No, because I used to be like, you know, every day I wake up at 6 and then I have to work and everything. So it's like my alarm, my body alarm that I have to wake up at 6.
Oh, at least you will sleep in the comfy bed in the hotel.
Yeah. So I choose soto ayam. It's just like a chicken soup for me. I need something spicy to wake me up. And the kat damian is what he ordered as usual. Guess what he ordered? Pizza.
Alright, the food was so nice. We will come back to the hotel. It's not much to talk about Nusa Dua. It's just super quiet. And honestly, we was here for almost 1 hour and I'm only one white person. I feel like in Jakarta somewhere or in Java or I don't know, other part of Indonesia where there's no tourists at all and it's completely zero. I'm the only one white one.
Alright, so we will back to hotel and then we will
show you,
explore
yeah.
and show you how the resort is.
Yeah. Alright, and we just was in the Coco Mart. Winnie wants to have ice cream because, you know, and I make a short video by my phone. You will see how busy it is. That's just extra bonus. Guys, it's very nice weather now. I will show you guys around the hotel. Winnie is sleeping a little bit. She's really tired, you know, she worked quite a lot and everything. I really understand that. So I will show you guys around the hotel. I show you beach at the beginning and now I will start to showing you from the lobby, because the lobby is actually quite impressive. And yeah.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you.
Alright, like I said, we're gonna go to the beach. We wanna have a swing on the famous beach, Nusa Dua beach. Look at this outfit! This is so funny, see? So fancy and so funny, isn't it?
Yeah, you look like Sultan.
Sultan of Polandia, Sultan Löw. I don't know why I'm so happy, but yeah, this is how it
You're
is.
on a holiday.
Yeah, like on holidays.
You are every day is a holiday as you're
Yeah.
living in Bali.
On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like.
Alright, so now I really want to take a picture over there. The famous Instagram picture whenever you stay in Melia Bali.
It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better.
Alright, so now we are in Bali Collection. Actually, we plan to have a dinner in one restaurant, but I think in Bali Collection the restaurant is still closed.
Actually, everything is closed. Almost everything. Not almost, I cannot see anything open, so.
Let's see.
We will show you a little bit of Bali Collection, how it looks at 7 p.m. when normally will be so busy and yeah.
As you see, everything is still closed at 7 p.m. No shops open. It's really like a ghost shopping center. Normally at this time, July, August will be full of people, but nowadays empty.
Alright, as you can see, all is closed, so we will go back to the hotel.
Alright, you
Alright,
see the
guys.
sailing upstairs here, so beautiful. Okay, so I think that's all for today, guys. We already had dinner and then we are so tired actually. Yeah,
that's-
thank you for watching. As you see behind us here,
Nobody is here in
Nobody.
the lobby, even the receptionist
and then
is
now
not there.
is 20:27. Even the reception.
nice wallpaper on the phone.
Yeah, so I think that's all for today. It's just 20:27 and nobody here.
And that's
Thank
will
you.
be enough for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. A new vlog every day 7 p.m. like always, and see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.